Okay guys, you see my ear is actually on fire, but I feel amazing. Some tips when you do this: make sure to visualize the area when you are like really like using this acupressure point, and make sure also to do the other side. You do not have to do all the points at once. I think this is an amazing introduction into some acupressure points. So I hope you loved it as much as I loved walking you through this acupressure points. Make sure also to exercise your face and massage your face to enhance this benefits even more. And also, overall, massaging your ears without emphasizing too much on the points is already amazing, because while you see my ear is quite red, it will come down after a while and it will really enhance also blood circulation in my face. And with that being said, I hope you will do this regularly, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Till then, mwah!